Golden Delight, a celebration of potato pancakes. Potato pancakes are delicious. They are crispy on the outside. The inside is soft. They are perfect for any meal. You can serve them as a side dish, or you can enjoy them as a snack. They are very versatile. Potato pancakes are also called latkes. Latkes are a traditional Jewish dish. They are often served during Hanukkah. Gathering your latke essentials. Let's gather our ingredients. Here's what you'll need. Potatoes. Use russet potatoes. You'll need about 4 large potatoes. Onion. 1 onion will be perfect. Yellow or white onion is fine. Eggs. We'll use 2 large eggs. Flour. All-purpose flour works best. You'll need 1/4 cup. Salt and pepper seasoned to your liking. From grater to griddle. Crafting your crispy latkes. First, peel and grate the potatoes. Use a box grater for best results. Grate the onion too. Next, squeeze out excess moisture. This makes the pancakes crispy. Use a clean kitchen towel. Now, mix the potatoes and onion in a bowl. Add the eggs, flour, salt, and pepper. Mix it all together. Heat oil in a large skillet. Use medium heat. Drop spoonfuls of the mixture into the hot oil. Flatten them slightly. Section 4. Serving up your potato pancake masterpieces. Cook the pancakes for about 3 minutes per side. They should be golden brown and crispy. Remove the pancakes from the skillet and place them on a plate lined with paper towels. This absorbs extra oil. Serve the pancakes hot. Top them with sour cream and applesauce. You can also add smoked salmon or chives. Section 5. Latke Love Feedback and Final Touches. Enjoy your delicious potato pancakes. I hope you love this recipe. Let me know what you think. Did you try any fun toppings? Share your thoughts and photos.